Hi, today our lesson in geometry is about median of triangles. What does it mean, median? Median means it's the segment which connected from any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. With this triangle A, the opposite side is angle A side BC, and the midpoint is F. The segment which is connected to the midpoint of the opposite side, we call it median. Now, what is the first theorem of median of triangle? The medians of a triangle intersect at a point called center. So if this is the first median, and this is the midpoint connected to the vertex C, and this will be connected to vertex D, to midpoint D, it will meet all at one point, let's call it Q. So this point of the three intersected medians, concurrent medians, is called central. Now, what is that theorem tells me? That is 2/3 of the distance from each vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Maybe some of the students, they don't even understand. I will make it clear that any median from A to F is the complete median, and AQ is the centroid. Is always, this takes 2 shares and this takes 1 share. It means 2 to 3. That means, if you want to make it easy, suppose this AF is 3 centimeter. So what will be the distance here? It will be 2, and this distance will be 1. For example, if AF equals 3, so automatically you divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then you get this is 1. The small side, and times 2, so AQ you get 2. So 1 times 2 you get this 2. For another example, suppose this is not 3. Suppose AF is equal to 12. So what will be AQ and QF? We divide this 12 by 3, you get is 4. Now 1 share, so we made it into 3 shares. This 3 shares, each one is 4. One will take 2 shares and one will take 1 share. This 1 share will be here, and this 4 times 2, which is AQ, will be 4 times 2 equal 8 shares. So this is divided into 2 over 3. I hope I made it as easy as possible for you. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's go to altitudes of triangles. After we finish the medians, what does it mean, altitude? Altitude, it means height. The height between a point to other point. So the altitude of triangle is the height, or we call it, from the vertex, which is perpendicular to the opposite side. So this will be the altitude, and so many times you will see it as written height. So the altitude is from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side of the angle. Now, it can be in 3 ways. The altitude can be inside the triangle, called interior altitude, or it can be outside the triangle. So the altitude will be lying outside the triangle. The third type is on the side, so the altitude will be on the side of the triangle the altitude will be on the side of the triangle. Now let's go after that, speaking about the theorem. Thank you. Hi again. Now the only theorem about the altitude of triangles is that the lines containing the altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Concurrent, you remember, it means they intersect at one point. Intersecting at a point called the orthocenter. So if I have from A the altitude which is like this AE, perpendicular, and that one is also perpendicular here. and that's how we compare the passing at one point. This point we call it orthocenter. So let's have a look at this example. AE is an altitude. Find x, where angle AEC is 3x minus 6. So obviously, once we say altitude, it means it is 90 degrees. Just put 3x minus 6 gives you 90. 3x gives you 90 plus 6 is 96. Divided by 3, divided by 3. This gives you x equal 32. As simple as that. Thank you very much.